Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Photos backup not working in 2026. First, open Google Photos in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. If your photos are not appearing in Google Photos, the first thing you should do is make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. Now, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Here, you can review your Google Photos settings, including your backup quality and storage information. If your Google account storage is full, Google Photos may stop backing up new photos and videos. In that case, you can free up storage or upgrade your storage plan. Next, return to the Photos page and refresh your browser. Sometimes Google Photos may take a few moments to load your latest photos. If the issue still isn't fixed, try signing out of your Google account and then sign back in. This can refresh your account connection and resolve temporary issues. Now, it's important to know that the backup option is not available on the Google Photos website. Backup is managed through the Google Photos app on your Android phone or iPhone. To fix backup issues, open the Google Photos app on your phone, tap your profile picture, go to Photo Settings, then Backup, and make sure backup is turned on. Also, make sure your phone is connected to the internet. You're signed in with the same Google account, and you have enough available Google storage. These are the most common reasons why Google Photos backup stops working. Once backup is working on your phone, your photos and videos will automatically appear here on the Google Photos website after a short time. That's how you can fix most Google Photos backup problems in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.